Hey guys, John here at 1984 Barbecue. Today we're going to be doing pulled pork that I've already cooked, had it in my freezer, got thawed out. We're going to be using my sous vide machine that I haven't used yet, and we're going to use it to reheat the pulled pork. Alright, so without any further ado guys, let's get started. All right. This is a 11 quart sous vide tub. And I got the balls, the sous vide balls with it that help push things down, but I don't think we're going to need it on this, okay? And this particular sous vide machine that I have is a Tobox, T-O-B-O-X, okay? Got it off Amazon a while back, haven't really played with it, was going to use it, decided not to do anything with it. So today I was like, you know what? Let's try this out. All right, so we got our pulled pork here, guys, all right? In my vacuum seal packs. Sorry, I couldn't even think. Vacuum seal packs. All right. So what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to drop these in here, like so, and then I'm going to take a clip and just clip it down, just like that. See? That's why I don't think we're going to need the bags. Okay? The bags, the balls. So I'm going to just kind of push this in here. Ooh, that water's hot. Just like so. Try to get that clip right there. Alright, well this one here may not going to stay with us right, folks, so I'm going to have to try to make adjustments. Because I think the vacuum seals come off this bag, so it's just going to float because of air. Alright, didn't know that till just now, so I'm going to go ahead and just kind of pull this out of there. And we're just going to let this one go. I was going to put this one in here, but the vacuum seal's gone off of it. So I'm just going to let this one go in the sous vide, and then I'm just going to warm this back up in the oven in a container, okay? So right now it's 4:06 p.m. in the afternoon, and I got the water at 135 degrees. So when we come back, we'll see what the finished product looks like. I'll tell you how long. That's what our pork looks like in the sous vide machine. It's been on for about, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes. Just kind of give them a little shot. There's what it looks like. We've been going now for just a little over an hour. It's 5:15. I started this at 4:06, so we're just a little over an hour. I'm going to check this and see where we're at, guys. I'm going to say this is probably this is probably done. It's probably heated through and through. We did, this was already cooked. We were just basically rewarming this up. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but you can see all the juices moving through the bag. This is, oh yeah, this is probably good and done, guys. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to get this out of the bag. I'm going to get a little bit of it out. We're going to do a taste test, guys. Of course, again, this was only cooked already. It's already cooked. And it took about an hour to warm up. And there it is. I don't know if you can see that or not. But there it is. This stuff is really juicy, guys. I put a little bit of Scott Bailey's The Real Show Barbecues Sweet Memphis on here. Alright, y'all go check them out. I'll leave a link in the description box. Scott Bailey, Real Show Barbecue. This stuff is really good, guys. This sauce is awesome. Alright. Anyways, we're going to try this out now. Let you see that. My camera doesn't do real well, but you can tell it's juicy. That's really good, guys. It gives a smoke flavor again. The bark, the rub on it. I'm telling you what, guys, that's a whole lot better. And it came out really juicy. It was hot. And, that's really good. That's like I just pulled it off the smoker almost, okay? I set my water for 135, ran it for 1 hour. Maybe could have went a little bit longer, but it was still piping hot. I didn't overcook it. It didn't seem like to me. It seemed just as juicy because I nuked the other bag in the microwave with a paper towel over top of it. And you can tell a big difference, guys, okay? But anyways, this is really good. Give it a try if you got one of these sous vide machines. I'll have more recipes coming out on actually cooking on this. I just wanted to test it out to see how everything ran with it. So anyways, guys, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, share it. You know, if you're new to the channel, hey, think about hitting that subscribe button and hit that bell. Let you know when I release new videos. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. You know I appreciate it. Anyways, guys, I'll leave all the links below to the sous vide stuff and to Scott's sauce. Okay, I'll leave all the links below. Anyways, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Take care.